Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain the long wall short wall method of estimation. Here I have taken a room a size of 3 meter by 4 meter and the thickness of wall is of 0.15 meter. The type of wall is CC block of 0.15 meter thickness, and the section I have drawn over here, this is a load bearing structure. The PCC is laid, over that the side stone masonry, that is SSM we call, over that the DPC on which the block work is constructed. So before commencing the calculation of materials, first we need to calculate the center to center distance of long wall and center to center distance of short wall. So the center to center distance of long wall will be 4 meter, the center inner to inner distance, and the half of thickness of wall on either side, that is 0.15 by 2 divided by 0.15 by 2 plus 4 meter, which is equals to 4.15 meter. And the short wall distance will be 3 meter, that is in inner to inner distance, plus half of wall thickness on either side. So let us go to the calculation, that is 3 meter by 4 meter long wall and short wall method of estimating. First, the earthwork calculation, that is earthwork in excavation. First, the long wall, the numbers are 2, 1 2, the two numbers, and the length will be 4.15 is the center to center distance, and the width of the excavation, which is 1 meter. So 1 meter, we will always in long wall we will add the half of the distance on both sides, that is 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So this will cover as I have marked the entire area of excavation. And the width will be 1 meter, that is breadth, and the depth of excavation is 0.7 meter. uh, Let me show. This is 1 and this is 0.1 and this is 0.4, total will be 0.7 meter. Sorry, this is 0.2, total will be 0.7 meter. Again the short wall will be two numbers. The center distance is 3.15. In short wall we will deduct the half of the distance on either side, that is width is 1 meter, that 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2, so this is 2.15. Breadth is 1 and the depth is 0.7 meter. So again in a PCC concrete this will be same as continuous. Length will be 5.15 and short wall, the only depth will be changed, that is 0.1 meter is a PCC thickness. Now the SSM, which is side stone masonry, we have 3 steps, 1 2 3 of different width and different depth. So the length will be, the numbers are 2, the length is the long wall length is 4.15 is a length, and the width of first step is 0.75. So either side half of the width we will take, and in short wall half of the width is deduction. So this is 4.15 plus 0.75 by 2 plus 0.75 by 2. In short wall we will deduct either side. So depth is 0.2, and the width is 0.75 meter. In step 2 the width is 0.4, 0.6, and the depth is 0.4. So in 4.15 meter the center distance long wall plus 0.65 by 2 plus 0.65 by 2 will take. In short wall we will minus, deduct the width of the footing or step. In step 3 long wall is 4.6 meter will get. In short wall 2.75 meter, and the width will be 0.45, depth is 0.45. Now over the SSM we have DPC, that is damp proof course. This is the damp proof course. The only the depth of thickness is changed as compared to step 3. Now the CC block masonry, the main thing is CC block masonry, the long wall and short wall. The long wall will be 4.15 center to center distance and plus 1.15 by 2 plus 0.15 by 2 is the outward distance. Let me show. Once I measure long wall, this will get 4.3 as we have got, and short wall will be inner to inner distance, that is 3 meter. Height is 3 meter as I have shown in a section. Height of the wall is 3 meter, ceiling height we call it as. Now as the block work, we have calculated the total area, total quantity. We have two openings over there in a drawing. One is door, which is of 0.9 by 2.1 meter, and the window 1.2 by 1.2 meter. So that quantity we need to deduct. So -1, that is one quantity. Width is 0.9, and breadth is the thickness of wall 0.15, and the height is 2.1. Over that, in over the door we provide a lintel. So the lintel we have to consider, because that will be of concrete, so there will be no block work. That also we need to consider. That is 0.9 plus both side I have taken a bearing, that is 0.15 or 0.15, and the width of the wall is 0.15, and the depth is 0.1, the depth of concrete. Similarly for window we also take, for window also we take 1.2 by 1.2, the width is 0.15. Same as we have taken in a door lintel, 1.2 is the width, and both side I have taken a bearing 0.15 by 0.15. So once this is calculated, total block work and deduction of the openings. So this is the calculation of long wall short wall method. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.